Now, could this be part of the solution to tackling the dental crisis? A practice in Devon is insisting its dentists take on NHS work. The owner of Dartmoor Dental says it's a civic duty, despite the surgery losing money by doing it. The practice has recently registered more than 300 children as NHS patients. Our health correspondent Jen Smith has more.
This is Mimi's first time at the dentist, not surprising for a one-year-old. But what is unusual is the fact she's being seen as a new NHS patient. Mimi is one of 350 children that have just been registered here.
It's great that they're taking on NHS patients. They're such a welcoming dental surgery and they're really friendly, and what I like the most is the dentists really do take the time to listen and explain everything to you, because sometimes it can be a bit nerve-wracking, especially for little ones.
Dartmoor Dental has increased its NHS workload so it now makes up 30% of its business. That's despite its NHS contract only providing 15% of its revenue. Owner and dentist Dr. Mike Hesketh says private work helps cover the costs.
Whilst we do the most advanced type of dentistry and we cover our costs with the private work, we think it's part of our community good to do the NHS treatment as well. So it is costly for us to do, but if we don't do it, then these young children will be ending up in Derriford Hospital, or there is nowhere else for them to go, and they'll be overwhelming the GP services more.
NHS data has highlighted that tooth decay is the biggest primary cause of NHS hospital admissions for children in England aged between 5 and 17. And Devon is one of the areas now considered a dental desert, where nearly 100% of dentists are not usually taking on new NHS patients.
It definitely was a worry, because I know that everyone is in the same boat and everyone's wanting to get their children into a dental practice, so inevitably there was going to be some difficulty, but yeah, I'm just very fortunate that the books are open here and I've managed to get my children here.
Today, the new Health Secretary Wes Streeting ordered an independent investigation of NHS performance in England. This comes days after talks with the British Dental Association, which it says has paved the way for the reform of the NHS Dental Contract. Good news for dentists like Dr. Hesketh, who says ideally he would like to cover his costs. Jen Smith, BBC Spotlight.